Let's make kimchi fried rice. Remember, hot pan, cold oil, food won't stick. Heat up your pan. Now pour the cold rice in. Brown the rice a little until it's soft. Now set it aside. Now I'm going to fry the eggs. Now stir fry the veggies. Some celery and carrots. I'm adding some char siu, and you can use any kind of meat that you want. Add some cut up kimchi, and it can be several weeks old in the fridge. It's okay. Now I'm adding the rice. I forgot to add the peas, so just put some in, not too much. I'm adding the eggs and just kind of chop it up and mix it. There you go. Look how colorful it is.